It's been one heck of a ride for Vinfast stock holders after debuting with an IPO price of around roughly $10. Price shot up in a couple of weeks to a high of $93. Price now finds itself below the IPO price, and the origin of this last leg down, which took out the IPO price of roughly $10, was when price broke and fell and closed below the short-term uptrend on the daily chart. Price finds itself below all the moving averages. You have the 13 and 26 simple moving averages steeply pointing down. I believe prices will continue to move lower. However, price is pausing for a reason. Let's get into the article. So, at one point when price hit $93, when price hit half of that, $45, it was worth more than GM and Ford combined, as there are 2.3 billion shares outstanding. However, only 1% is traded at the moment. However, recently, insiders of the company said they were going to start selling shares, so that should aid in liquidity. And hopefully you'll see volatility dampen a bit as well. Recently, the company reported $623 million in net losses for the quarter ending in September. That was more than a 30% year-over-year increase. With 3 months left in the year, VinFast isn't even halfway to its goal of selling 50,000 cars in 2023. So far, they sold 10K last quarter. In total for the year thus far is 21,000. However, this is the kicker. Half the cars it sold was to a company owned by the founder of VinFast. So VinFast is part of a conglomerate that's owned by, we'll call him Mr. P. So again, the stock debuted on the NASDAQ in August, surged from an opening price at 22 on August 15th to hit a high of 82 at the end of August. At one point, the company was worth more than Mercedes-Benz and BMW. Again, analysts pointed out that VinFast wild swings in price were due to thin trading. Less than 1% of VinFast stocks are available to investors, with the founder, Mr. P, owning the remaining 99%. That means small shifts in volume could trigger large movements in price. VinFast has bold plans to expand globally. Now, they broke ground on a plant in North Carolina, I think last month, as a way to start producing their cars in the U.S. However, one of their upscale models had some flaws, some software issues, so it did not get out to the blocks at a very fast pace. Nevertheless, the company said that it's pushing ahead with plans to build factories in India and Indonesia. The VinFast CFO, David Mansfield, said the company is on track to meet its ambitious delivery guidance, thanks to expected strong domestic demand in the coming quarter. Now, again, this is not true. There is no strong demand. We've seen Tesla not meet their delivery numbers, Rivian not meet their delivery numbers. Tesla lowered their prices on some of their models to spur demand. So, for all these reasons, I think the stock is going lower. I do have a $5 price target with dampening demand, with more of the insiders selling their shares. That's going to put pressure on the stock. Again, look for price to continue to decline. I anticipate the $5 handle being hit potentially by the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.